the Nanga Parvat through Namcha Barwa. So here it is in a different force, and here it is happening what? Ocean-ocean convergence. So the Andaman and Nicobar is in a continuation, but it is formed by the how? Ocean-ocean convergence of Indo-Australian oceanic plate with Eurasian oceanic plate, and denser Indo-Australian oceanic plate subducted below. And इसीलिए आज अंडमान निकोबार को आप आज भी देखते हैं, इट इज एन काइंड ऑफ व्हाट इज एन एक्टिव this is I said that Indo-Australian oceanic plate is denser and it is in a subducting below this is the Eurasian continental plate and it is moving northward and northeastward and its movement is eastward, then therefore I will not see the movement. As the movement दिखा दिया आपने, it will be wrong. So because it is moving eastward, Eurasian plate direction is, and here it is northward. इसकी movement east side है, so you can't show the movement this side. Okay. So there will be a group of, and there is a volcanic eruption took place. And this way Indonesian archipelago, and I said that Andaman and Nicobar island group came into existence. Andaman and parallel to this, the deepest one on the deepest part of the ocean, you know that there is a Sunda Trench, or it is also known as a Java Trench. Sunda Trench or Java Trench. So we have seen, I said that ocean converges, and because of this perhaps you understand what is happening in the whole world around you, have got an idea. So how do the different things are happening in the whole world. And this is your Java Trench. This is Java Island. यहाँ पे भी है deeper है, but these are the deeps, not the deepest. And here it is in a deep south of Java Island toward the Indian Ocean, Java Trench. And here we have, I said that it is also known as a Sunda Trench. Understood? Next one, continental convergence, and this continental convergence I will discuss when then we'll do the Himalayan formation. We'll do the Himalayan formation in this one will come when we'll do that time we'll cover. So in the Indian context I'll try to cover at that time. Because I'll take it little deeply, and if I'll start taking deeply, plate tectonic will take too much time. Next one I said. After the convergence, ocean continental convergence and oceanic convergence, and there is I said that another topic I said continental convergence, and that is now I said that Himalayan formation. Next point that we have to see divergence. Next point we have to see, and कल आप लोगों को मैंने कई बार divergence दिखाया था. कल one figure yesterday I have shown you, and then figure was like this. Perhaps you remember yesterday I have shown you this figure. Yeah. And formation of, I said that Atlantic Ocean, and that could be one question. I have said that this is a one plate. पूरी मैंने आप लोगों को बड़ा पिक्चर बना के भी दिखाया था. Just I am giving a divergence. In the divergence, you know that in the deep mantle, क्या बोला था मैंने? In the deep mantle, which are the two sources of energy? Radioactive minerals and then heat from the outer core. That lead to the formation of magma, and the rock get the temperature around 1350 degrees Celsius, and that become lighter enough to start convecting upward, and it takes years to reach near to the Earth's plate. Understood? And when they take near to the reach Earth plate, its temperature become, what is the temperature? What is the temperature? 1100 degrees Celsius, and it is what comparatively इस टेम्परेचर पे, और यहाँ पर क्या है, दिस इज कमिंग विद द आयरन एंड मैग्नीशियम, एंड दिस इज आई सेड दैट इट इज व्हाट, सिलिका. नियर बाय देयर इज एन सिलिका कंटेंट विल बी मोर, एंड दिस आयरन मैग्नीशियम, इसके कंपैरेटिवली ये स्टार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग 1100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. व्हेन दे स्टार्टेड कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग, सो इट बिकम्स व्हाट, हैवी. दिस वन बिकम हैवियर देन द सराउंडिंग रॉक. Yes, silica is lighter and it feels I am heavier. Even it is in a warm, but it becomes heavier, and a heavier thing cannot sustain. They started what? Convecting downward. This के लिए कल मैंने बहुत explain किया था, and the same time I have explained, I said hot spot at the same time. And due to this divergence, and what is happening, that due to this convectional current of magma, three forces I have discussed. Which are the three forces making the plate to move? कन्वेक्शन करंट ऑफ मैग्मा, स्लैब पुल, रिज पुश. और ये ध्यान में रखिए, स्लैब पुल, रिज पुश, देयर विल बी एन अ काइंड ऑफ व्हाट, कुछ कंट्रोवर्सीज भी होंगे, थोड़ा सा कभी मैं डिस्कस भी कर लेता हूँ. समटाइम्स आई सेड दैट अदरवाइज देयर विल बी एन आइसोस्टेसिस इज आल्सो देयर. इन द आइसोस्टेसिस I said that due to this the upper plates get a divergence, and then then the plates started diverging away, और ये प्लेट यहाँ तक पहुँच गया, दोनों डाइवर्ज हुए. इसका मतलब बीच में से देयर इज एन क्रैक, एंड देन क्रैक कैसे होता है? इन द लास्ट क्लासेस आई हैव सेड दैट टेंशनल फोर्स, आपको इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट, आपको याद होगा ऐसा होता है. परहैप्स यू रिमेंबर, यस और नॉट? हैंगिंग वैली कम्स डाउन, हैंगिंग वैली कम्स डाउन, और ये अब प्लेट इधर आ चुका है. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, you are able to get this plate has come over here, this plate has, in the formation of Western Ghat I have discussed with you, and there is a hanging valley come down under the tensional force, you know. And thereafter this is an African plate, and this is an South American plate, and it is, I said that, African plate. And after that again, then convectional current of magma put in a frictional drag, and this American plate, South American plate, moved further westward, and this African plate further moved, I said that, eastward and northeastward. And after that, when they moved, so these rocks are there, and in this new gap, a new magma, some of the magma come over there, and there is a formation of, I said that, basaltic oceanic floor, and then such several action, again ध्यान से रखिएगा, I will discuss few things on this. Such several action of convectional current of magma, what it causes? Divergence along ocean bottom, divergence along, पहले divergence along not ocean bottom, divergence along continental plate, thereafter followed by, yes, along newly formed basaltic ओशियानिक फ्लोर. थोड़ा सा मैं शॉर्ट में चल रहा हूँ, कल मैं क्योंकि बता रहा था एवरी टाइम देयर इज अ गैप इज क्रिएटिंग, विद इन द गैप basaltic magma is coming and then solidifying, and then again it is in a, so if we have been able to see there is in a formation of, I said that again there will be, but the middle section, if I am talking about the middle section under the heat, so divergence along the continental followed by along the newly formed oceanic floor, and this way in the last 120 to 200 million years क्या बन गया? Just tell me. Large depression, a large depression, and this large depression filled up with water and it become Atlantic Ocean. There is a formation of what I said, that Atlantic Ocean. This is, and I said South American, and this is, I said that African. साथ में ऊपर में देखेंगे तो there is also North American, and then I said that Eurasian. That led to the formation of Atlantic जब नीचे जाऊं तो ध्यान से देखा करो कि नीचे तक का अटलांटिक ओशन clear. Thereafter we can be able to see next point. If I say that under high heat of diverging limbs of convectional current of magma, middle portion of ocean floor get uplifted. The middle portion of ocean floor, what happened? Under the high heat, ये आप दिख रहा है high heat, इसको ऐसे उठा हुआ नहीं रहना चाहिए. It should not be uplifted, but it is uplifted because, yes, tell me, high heat, and that get uplifted and it forms series of long chain of mountain with 2000 to 3000 meter height, with 2000 to 3000 meter height, and it is known as mid-oceanic ridge. It is known as mid-oceanic. Understood? And one of the world largest, you know, that S-shape mid-Atlantic ridge, S-shape. So it is going away. There is a mid-Atlantic ridge in the S-shape, and one of the world longest mid-oceanic ridge. And then the ridge, if I am talking about ridge, is like this. And कभी आप देखें mid-oceanic rise, both are same. The difference is this. steeper slope and it has a gentle slope. Somewhere if you are, the two words are written like rise and rise. The difference between the rise and rise is only the two things. Only the, what as I said, that rise is steeper and rise is comparatively gentle. So mid-oceanic rise or mid-oceanic rise, both are same, only the steepness is different. Now, and when the mid-oceanic rise, if it is like this, under the heat it has been formed, when it will drift away, आपको बताया था मैंने कि when it will drift away, there is always a hanging valley will go down, always, and then there will be an in between the rift valley. Always in the middle section, if you will be able to see, there is an, I said that, a rift valley. Every time rift valley, and then slowly and slowly gap created, magma camp, ocean floor formed. Again there is an, so this process will keep on always happening. So there will be, I said that, a rift valley. Now tell me, this magma is which magma? Basaltic, and basaltic